Customary law is denying specifically black fathers in this country right of contact with their children, okay? While I do understand that there's culture and tradition, okay, in this instance, culture and tradition is directly affecting fathers' rights of contact and care of their children, okay? And then the state president has the audacity to turn around and say that there's all these fatherless children out there. Okay, so let's have a look at this pragmatically. Okay, so do you have a cultural or traditional responsibility, both from a traditional and from a legal perspective under the Children's Act, if you have children born out of wedlock or you're a single father? Yes, absolutely you do. Okay, but the two, you've got the law, which is section 21D of the Children's Act, and a tradition that are on direct contradiction of one another, okay? And it is denying fathers their rightful place with regards to being proper parents to their children, okay? So if you have a look at it culturally, does a father, if he is practicing the culture or the tradition to pay damages under customary law, have a responsibility culturally, then he would obviously pay damages towards the father, the maternal grandfather of the child, and the child by rights should be living with the maternal grandparents and or the maternal family. And then once the father has also paid damages in lieu of the mother, so that's a second payment, and then some form of payment, whether it be a cow or a car or some form of financial remuneration, the father would also pay towards the child, and then he can start accessing the child. Okay, so that is what was done culturally. Okay, however, you've got the law as well that says a father must pay damages under customary law under section 21D of the Children's Act. Okay, then that is now, the two are saying the same thing, but because of that you're denying fathers' rights of contact to their children, and it is also unconstitutional because white, colored, Indian, Asian fathers do not have to pay that damages because it's not part of their cultural tradition. So it's unconstitutional, and it's segmenting black fathers, it is marginalizing black fathers out, and it is placing a burden on those fathers that other race groups do not have to comply with. That's unconstitutional. You cannot have it both ways. So either all fathers in South Africa, single fathers in South Africa, must pay damages under customary law, or no fathers must pay damages under customary law from a legal point of view. Okay? And I, as a white father, and I can almost guarantee you Asian, colored, Indian fathers are not going to want to participate in that as well. They want contact with their children. Okay? So there's a constitutional, legal, and traditional clash. And guess who's paying the price for that ultimately at the end of the day? It is the child. The child is being denied right of contact and knowing its whole family. Okay? So we're saying it's unconstitutional. It should be removed out of the Children's Act. The Center for Gender Equality has already agreed with us way back in 2020 that Section 20 and 21 were indeed unconstitutional for both married and unmarried fathers, irrespective of what their race, culture, or traditional religion is. So you are dealing with an unconstitutional act, and there was a ruling last year by the Constitutional Court that declared Section 40 of the Children's Act unconstitutional. So we are dealing with an unconstitutional Children's Act. Okay, and it's negatively impacting fathers' rights and responsibilities towards their children. So if you're having problems, please reach out to us. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let's get you assisted. You can reach out to me. Contact details are in the message below to set up a consultation to either let us help you with mediation, litigation, or a combination of both. Let us take you through the process. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.